Hello viewers. Today's going to be a quick video on our Pampered Chef Deluxe cooking blender that we recently had a problem with excessive noise coming out of it. And it ended up being this rubber insert. They call it a noise reducer. But it actually, if you look underneath it, it's got metal there. It actually looks like it protects where these two surfaces meet. And as you can see, there's the spots, the excessive wear of where that rubber was gone. So it does actually protect this, I believe. So as it was sitting, we were waiting for the part to come in. I believe the blade froze in the bearing here. And so it will not turn anymore. I tried to get that to go through after removing this nut, and it won't go through. And I ended up taking these screws out, and this screw, and this odd. This is a kind of a protector, a kind of a seal screw to keep people from opening this up. There's electrical components in here. And I just wanted to see if this was removable. You do have to take this part off to get to this bigger nut that holds this whole assembly in. Of course, I had to thread that on there a bunch. Okay, there we go. Now when it's time to push through, if you're going to be taking this out, there's this little washer, real thin one, and it's turned just a bit, and it'll hold that in the threads. They'll get stuck in these threads even after you've taken this off. So it'll seem like it's stuck, but if you look back up in here, if you turn the assembly a little bit, it should come out. It's just being held by this. It's almost acting like a clip, a holder clip, because of the tension. However, after going through this, I don't think this blade is available for replacement. It may be for the sake of Pampered Chef. Maybe doesn't want people getting into this, tearing this apart because of this electrical components. Therefore, they only sell the actual blender glass, this whole assembly, and that's it. If you do know of any resources or websites or any links where this is purchasable, could you please put that in the comments? That'd be nice to know, and maybe that'll help anyone who's in the same search. And as always, if you'd like to offer additional support of this channel, please search out my original music by searching Scott Knox on all major music platforms. Thank you very much.